If you look at the world's most valuable companies, you won't be surprised to find the likes of Apple, Microsoft, and Google. But one name does stand out.
OpenAI.
This is the insane true story of a new company that shakes the multi-billion-dollar companies who dominate the tech world for years. This new company is going to reshape the entire world, and every other company needed to innovate if they don't want to extinct. Apple and Microsoft's partnership with them and Google decided to be their direct competitor.
The main reason for the rapid success of this company is ChatGPT.
Google lose $100 billion because of this decision. Let's dive in the story.
On November 30th, 2022, ChatGPT launched for public and gained 1 million subscribers in just 5 days and 100 million in 2 months. Some people were worried about their jobs. Some were worried about the end of humanity is near. A lot of rumors spread all over the internet.
This event sent shockwaves throughout the world.
Everyone was talking about ChatGPT.
ChatGPT.
This caused panic in Google's headquarters because people were seeing it as a Google replacement. Google realized if they don't innovate,
They will end up like Nokia.
on March 21st, 2023, Google publicly launched Bard for testing in the US and UK. At first, Bard was seen as a ChatGPT competitor, but a video of Bard caused a $100 billion loss for Google's parent company, Alphabet, in its stock value by about 9%. It occurred due to a question asked by Bard: "What new discoveries from the James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST, can I tell my 9-year-old about?" Bard answered incorrectly.
People started calling it a copy of ChatGPT.
On December 6, 2023, Google takes it very seriously and developed its new family of AI models called Gemini. Gemini had improved a lot. It sometimes hallucinated during chats. Google Gemini 2.5 Pro is one of the most powerful AI models, just slightly behind OpenAI's. During this period, many new AI companies emerged. For example, Claude, developed by Anthropic, is known for coding, and Perplexity for AI-powered search and research. This AI race made NVIDIA one of the most valuable companies, especially overnight in terms of rapid stock appreciation.
Because AI demands high-end GPUs.
OpenAI's GPT-4o native image generator consumes enough electricity for a single image to power a 60-watt bulb for 3 minutes.
Surprise!
You can imagine how much electricity it would consume if millions of people used it. Recently, during the Ghibli trend, ChatGPT's servers reportedly experienced high load, which can lead to overheating issues if not managed. On November 4th, 2023, Elon Musk's company, xAI, announced its own large language model known as Grok, making it available to some X Premium users for testing. Elon Musk wants to make an uncensored AI. Because of that, Grok could answer some controversial questions. Grok is integrated into X, formerly Twitter. Because of that, and if an event occurs, Grok knows about it very quickly, reportedly within minutes.
AI is going to change the world.
When cars came, they replaced the horses. Like it, AI is going to replace people who are not using AI. AI isn't a threat to us. It opens up a lot of opportunities. For example, you can build your SaaS business with AI with no coding knowledge and scale it massively.
AI can be your companion, who is always here for you, listens to you, tries to make you happy, and has almost all the knowledge of the internet.
Is this the data we asked for?
Or you can consider AI a threat and get replaced by someone who is using AI.
Now, what do you think about our new art style? Tell us in comments.
If you want the next video about Apple, then subscribe.